So in the very first video, we're gonna talk about what's HTML, why do we need that, and how do we code in the HTML. So for that, we will download the code editor we need. So first of all, let's learn what's HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's not a programming language. It's a hypertext markup language, as it says. HTML is a standard. It's for creating web pages. So HTML describes the structure of web page. We don't style anything in HTML. It's just the structure, the skeleton. HTML consists of series of elements. There are several elements, so the several tags, let's say, that we use in order to build up the structures. So we'll learn these elements and where and how to use that elements in this course. So HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. So each element has its own functionality and place to use. So without the more words, let's see all these in the actions. In order to code in HTML, we need a code editor. So in any language, programming language, whenever we need the code, we need a place to code. Okay, and the place to run. So we will write our codes in the code editor and we will run our code in the browser. Okay, so to download the code editor, I will download a simple one to get started. But there are other complex ones such as Visual Studio Code, Atom, and etc. But Sublime is light, easy to use, and you can go right away and it's free. You can download. So go to this website here, sublimetext.com/3. The version is 3, so you can download for your device. So I've already downloaded. Once you download it, we're gonna go and open up the Sublime and start coding there. Once it's downloaded, you can go and start that Sublime text. You can just go and search for that and just start that. Okay. So after that, you will see this screen here. So to get started, we should go to Files and New File, or you can just click Ctrl N in the Mac Command N. So it will just create a new file. I'm gonna hit Ctrl S, or you can come here and say Save. Alright, then I'm gonna go to Desktop. Here I'm gonna create a new folder called, the name is, let's say, HTML mastering. Okay, I'm gonna go in and save the file here, lesson1.html. Okay, that's the first file we have created successfully. So in order to run the file, I'm gonna say hello world. That's the basic first program of ours, let's say. So whenever you write the code, you see here is a circle. Whenever we hit Ctrl S, in other words save, so it becomes X. Okay, that means whenever we need to save, it's unsaved. So whenever we write code, we should save in order to see its effects. So we wrote the code, but how do we run that? In order to run that, there's a shortcut here. You right click and open in browser. Or what you can do, you can open the containing folder and you can just click here. So it will run the hello world. Okay, I will use another way down as well. Open in browser, the both works.